There is an analogy that I like to use between the natural heat engine in the atmosphere called the hurricane and a car engine. Now, the one shortcoming here is that perhaps students these days really don't know what goes on under the hood of a car. And that's a little frightening, especially now the days with hybrids are coming out with electric motors. This theory no longer applies, and I'm out of a job right now, okay? But let's take a little quiz. Let's play the hurricane game, okay? I'm going to put up a cartoon, if you will. This is something I do with my students in my class. The top part shows the major components of the automotive engine, okay? And in the bottom here are the fill in the blanks. So let's start off really quick. What is the fuel tank of the engine? Okay, good. So you got that right. Let's see if we can go for 100% here. What's the fuel for the hurricane? Water vapor. Excellent. Okay. Now, how about the fuel pump? Now, the fuel pump is the device that draws in the fuel from the tank into the engine. You got to think hard about this one. What could the fuel pump be in the atmosphere?
Wind?
Wind. Yes, it's wind. It's the winds that are spiraling in and converging, drawing in all that moisture where it rises up into the cylinders. Now, in the hurricane, what part of the storm is analogous to the cylinders?
Clouds?
The eye wall clouds, the thunder clouds. Yes, very good. Now, in the engine, we have combustion, where fuel is converted into motion and heat is released. What do you think is the analogous process of combustion in the hurricane? Condensation. You guys are doing wonderful. This is fabulous, okay? The flywheel. Now, the flywheel is the heavy wheel that's connected to the crankshaft. The pistons are rotating this wheel and it stores energy, and this is really the rotary motion of the engine. In the hurricane, what is the flywheel?
Spin? The spin?
It's the vortex. It's the rotating winds of the storm, right? And then finally, the exhaust. The exhaust is the noxious stuff that comes out and pollutes our air in a car engine. But in a hurricane, what could the exhaust be?
Rain.
The rain and the clouds. Oh my goodness. This class gets 100. I say fabulous. Very, very, very good job. Okay? Wonderful. No one in my class has ever gotten this right. So you're the first.